Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to change name on Bolt application. To change your name on Bolt, the first thing to do is to open the Bolt app from your app drawer. Also make sure to log into your Bolt account like you normally do. After you are signed into the account, from the main home page, tap on the hamburger menu at the top left corner. In the expanded pop-up menu, tap on My Account at the top. Tap on Personal Info on the next page. Click Edit right next to your name. Enter your new name in the first name and the last name text box. And after you are done with the change, tap Save. And that's how you can easily change your name on Bolt application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.